Good morning, students. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope that you all are fine, shine, and you are ready to learn another letter with this sound. Dear students, let's see which letter we have to study today. आज हमने कौन सा लेटर और उसकी साउंड पढ़नी है? So let's have a look at this page. Look and find out the words. Yes, today we are going to learn about letter H. H, this is capital H and this is lowercase h. And what is the sound of H? H, H, H. This is the sound of H. H, H, H. Letter H. And what is the sound of H? It's H. Let's find out the pictures that begin with letter H. It's hand. Hand. Hat. Hen. And a house. Where do we live? House. Horse. And have you seen a hut? Hut. That also begin with letter H. Hut. And horse, hen, hat, hen, house, hut, horse. Yes, hop. It also begin with letter H. So, which letter you have studied today? It is H. And what is the sound of H? It's H. What is the sound of H? It's H. House, horse, hen, hat, and hen. Dear students, you have to say the sound and you have to find out the words, objects, pictures that begin with letter H. And you have to tell me कि मैम आज हमने लेटर H की ये पिक्चर्स फाइंड आउट की हैं और आपने इसको कॉपी पे अच्छा सा राइट करना है एंड देन यू हैव टू शेयर इट टू मी. Take care. Bye bye. See you tomorrow, inshallah.